सम्मान देना इस तरीके से, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम किया उन्होंने कोविड के मुश्किल टाइम के दौरान। क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
देखिए, ये पैंडेमिक का दौर चल रहा है और ये पैंडेमिक के दौर में डाइट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, नॉट ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट बट इट इज़ नेसेसरी, बिकॉज जैसे कि हमारे लेक्चर में बताया गया कि विटामिन डी का महत्व क्या है, विटामिन B12 का महत्व क्या है, और इस महत्व के लिए ये पैंडेमिक में सभी लोग हम लोग विटामिन्स खाते थे, लेकिन कितना खाना चाहिए, क्या खाना चाहिए, इसके बारे में भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। उसका डोज इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एक्स्ट्रा भी नहीं लेना चाहिए, कम भी नहीं लेना चाहिए। ये प्रोग्राम के ज़रिए हम लोग को एक मैसेज देना है कि न्यूट्रिशन कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और सिम्स ने जो ये प्रोग्राम किया है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन है। हर साल ये प्रोग्राम होता है और सभी लोगों की अपने एक उत्साह और उमंग बढ़ाने के लिए ये प्रोग्राम किया जाता है और अवार्ड दिया जाता है जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया। सभी अवार्डीज़ को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और ऐसे ही वो काम करते रहे, और ये जैसे पेंडेमिक में काम किया वैसे ही आगे चल के भी काम करते रहे।
सर मराठीमध्ये सांगा आजच्या या कार्यक्रमात.
आज हा जो कार्यक्रम सिम्सतर्फे झाला तो खरंच एक बूस्ट होता. आपण सगळेजण इम्युनिटी बूस्टरविषयी बोलतो, पण इम्युनिटी बूस्टर कशाला पाहिजे याविषयी या प्रोग्राममध्ये सांगितलं गेलं. माइंड सोल याविषयी देखील सांगितलं गेलं, आणि ह्या सर्वमध्ये कोविडनंतर जी मानसिक स्थिती लोकांची झाली त्याच्यावरती कसं आपल्याला संतुलन मिळवायला पाहिजे याविषयी अतिशय चांगल्या गोष्टींनी आपल्या लेक्चरमध्ये सांगितलं गेलं. आणि सर्व जर एकंदर कार्यक्रम बघितला तर हा कार्यक्रम गेल्या 2 वर्षापासून आपण ज्या पॅन्डेमिकच्या थ्रेटमध्ये होतो त्याच्यातून आपल्याला बाहेर काढण्यासाठी, एक मॉरल बूस्टिंग करण्यासाठी इम्युनिटी बूस्टर होता असं मी मानेन.
रामदास कदमने जे अनिल परब साहेबांचा आरोप लावला आहे त्याच्यावर तुमची काय प्रतिक्रिया?
याच्यावरती माझी काही प्रतिक्रिया नाही आहे, कारण हा कार्यक्रम वेगळा आहे, तो कार्यक्रम वेगळा आहे.
कार्यकर्त्यांनी भाजप कार्यालयासमोर आंदोलन केलं.
नो पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चन.
थैंक यू सर. जानना चाहूँगा इस अवार्ड के बारे में कि कितना ज़रूरी है मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स को, पीपल हु आर एसोसिएटेड विद हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स, कितना ज़रूरी उनको अवार्ड से सम्मानित करना, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज?
मैं अविनाश अभिचंदानी, मैं फिटलैब 360 का फाउंडर हूँ, प्रोप्राइटर कंपनी है. वी आर बेसिकली न्यूट्रिशन एंड वेलनेस कंसल्टेंट्स, एंड ये मैंने अवार्ड पावर स्टॉर्म के बिहाफ पे लिया है. और जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं कि सम्मानित करना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता. आप घर में अपनी माँ को सिर्फ बोल दीजिए कि खाना अच्छा बना है तो वो भी खुश हो जाती है. तो फिर ऐसे इस मेहनत के पीछे जो अगर अवार्ड मिले तो फिर सभी को अच्छा लगेगा.
समथिंग ऑफ योर कंपनी, व्हाट इट डील्स विद, कुछ प्रोफाइल बताइए कि क्या करते हैं आप?
श्योर. फिटलैब 360 इज़ बेसिकली अ कंसल्टेंट फॉर फिटनेस, ओवरऑल फिटनेस, वेलनेस, न्यूट्रिशन. किसी भी तरह की तकलीफ़ हो, आपको बिज़नेस में इन्वेस्ट करना हो, वेलनेस ब्रांड ये करने हो, तो हम कंसल्ट करते हैं बेसिकली एज सच.
And what's the plan for the future regarding your company? I mean, in what way?
प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर इज़ लाइक वी ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड पावर स्टॉर्म नाउ. ऐसे ही हमको आगे चल के और भी ब्रांड्स लॉन्च करने हैं. दूसरे ब्रांड्स कहीं पे जो थोड़े कुछ कहीं कमी पड़ रही है उसको हम पूरा करेंगे, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का 22 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है. तो उस एक्सपीरियंस को डाल के मैं और ब्रांड्स को मार्केट में लाना चाहूँगा, इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा. थैंक यू.
Hi, so myself Harish and I'm a part of Max Protein. So we are very thankful to CIMS firstly for this award, and the best part while we receive this award is that, so I just want to highlight the 10-year long journey of Max Protein. So as we see today sitting in 2022, overall this market is very evolved, protein bar segment, but we were the one who prominently laid a very strong foundation stone. So it's been a 10-year long journey, and Max Protein has been into it. And today, along with protein bars, there are a lot of different categories we are exploring. So we are into chips, we are into cookies, and this journey will go much more ahead. So all of this encourages us to come up with more exciting flavors and categories. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Prakash. I am business head of Saish Health and Fitness. We are distributors of Core Health and Fitness, which is an American organization that sells world-class gym equipment. I want to thank SIMS for such a prestigious award, and we dedicate this award to our 2,000 plus strong customer base in India. and we look forward to creating many more world-class facilities and participating in this contest again and again. Thank you.
Introduction and tell something about how do you feel getting this award as such and about your profile.
कितना लंबा 2 मिनट ओके ओके सो आप मुझे इशारा करना रेडी ओके फाइन ओके हेलो आई एम सत्यदेव तिवारी founder of Valsante Functional Foods and Nutraceuticals Private Limited. Today has been really a wonderful day as the company has won award from SIMS in the category of emerging nutraceutical company. I'm glad to receive this award on behalf of my entire team of Valsante. We are actually more interested to shift the focus from illness to wellness and fitness, and in that endeavor we have launched functional foods and functional beverages and nutraceuticals, and these products are actually a medium to deliver the nutrients, the bioactives and the natural immunity solutions to make this world a happier and healthier place to live in. Valsante is devoted to your full health. That's what we mean in letter and spirit. Thank you very much. I'm very, very delighted to receive this award from SIMS today. SIMS has been a Bible or a Gita to most of the pharmaceutical industry practitioners, whether doctors, dietitians or pharmaceutical company executives. So I congratulate and I compliment SIMS as well, and I once again thank them for awarding us with the emerging nutraceutical company of the year. So thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Amit Sakpal. I head the international business development at Tirupati Group. Just let me tell you about Tirupati Group. Way back in 2005, it was founded, and today it is one of the fastest growing contract manufacturing company in India. We provide end-to-end solution from research to product development, and we do end-to-end solution from research to product development. And this award is very important for us, as this gives us the good opportunity to grow our business. No, that's it. Thank you.
I am Saurabh from Hindustan Unilever. I am here Zonal Expert Sales Manager. So first of all, I would like to thank you, the SIMS, the prestigious platform here, who every year recognizes us for the excellent contributions and our excellent brand, which is Women's Plus. This time the fastest growing brand that we have been recognized. So once again, what I can say is thanks the team SIMS and the Ankit. Thank you very much. So I always said this is very important for all of us who has been recognized by the SIMS, and of course we are putting all efforts to the market and doing good services to the for the goodness of the people. So for this, getting recognized is really important for all of us. So this is Women's Horlicks, which is a specialized brand for the women's who is in needs for the wellness of all the women who really face uncomfort in their bones and their health, where Women's Plus really helping them to recover. So thank you very much.
Your introduction and how does it feel to get the award, Wellness Award, and about the company profile you have?
Myself, I'm Dr. Prithipal Singh, the Vice President at Head R&D of Tirupati Group of Companies. I'm extremely delighted to receive this award of the most innovative nutraceutical CDMO. The Tirupati Group of Companies, we are engaged in the business of nutraceuticals, Ayurvedic, pharmaceuticals, as well as the sports nutrition. If you're talking about the nutraceutical, I think we are one of the top nutraceutical companies who are into both research as well as into the manufacturing business.
And how does it feel to get this award as such as a nutrition analyst award? You're getting for the first time or earlier also you got this award?
We have received numerous awards, I think, but this award from the SIMS was really very special for us, and especially to be categorized in the area of the most innovative nutraceutical CDMO. And the reason I believe why we have received this award is because Tirupati as a group of company, we are not only focusing into the manufacturing business, but I think we have the state of R&D with more than 30,000 square feet of research and development lab. We are one of the most innovative company. More than 90% of the products that we manufacture has actually been designed in our laboratories, in our R&D centers. And I think I also would like to dedicate this award to all our clients and partners who have trusted us for the innovation what we do, for the quality of the products that we bring into the market. Thank you so much.
For this award, it means a lot to me. I also thank Mr. Alok Sharma for this award and CIMS, and it's a great feeling to have achieved this award.
And something about the company or profile of the company, the business you're doing in.
The profile of my company, okay, right. Very strange, I'll let you talk. Well, the thing is like we are a fitness organization which doesn't compromise on quality. I recently also was awarded by the governor the best gym in the country, and we also won the award for the top 10 gyms in the world so far, and let's hope, and now we are expanding to UAE and other continents soon.
Has any questions that you would like
Okay,
to ask?
thank you.
We are open to it because
How did it feel to get the award, nutrition analyst award, and something about the profile, sir?
any questions?
First of all, thank you very much. Thank you very much, SIMS Medica, for this award. And we are very much delighted to receive this award periodically. This is fourth time our brand stood in the merit continuously. And just to give a background, Resource High Protein is the first brand of resource protein supplementation launched in the market. And we have been upgrading the formula from Nestle periodically every 2 to 3 years. And today I am very happy to receive this award. And in this occasion, I am very happy to inform that this formula is further upgraded with more immunonutrients like zinc, selenium, and it is being boosted with further immunonutrients. So easy to absorb as well as for muscle strength and brand immunity, Resource High Protein is present. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ashwini, Medical Superintendent of Nanavati Max Super Specialty Hospital, Mumbai. Thanks SIMS Medica for this prestigious award. It indeed feels thrilling to receive an award. Yes, it's very motivating. This award is special for me because in this COVID pandemic, we have done a lot of efforts. We all medical fraternity have joined hands with the nutritionists, with the dietitian, with the doctors who were dealing in holistic medicine, and we have seen the need of the hour. So this will definitely motivate our youngsters, our young generation. Thanks SIMS Medica for this special recognition for contribution in medical services. Thanks. Look forward for great endeavors together. Look forward for a healthy society. Thank you. Okay.